Begin by removing 2 pentalobe screws from the bottom of the phone. Heat up the edges of the phone. Use a pry tool to create a gap at the bottom of the phone. Use a pick and insert it, sliding around the side to cut the adhesive, and slide around the other side to cut the adhesive. Then it opens up to the right. Put something behind the screen to support it. Next, we'll be removing the battery bracket and the battery connector. There are 3 screws holding down the bracket. Arrange those on your magnetic mat. Disconnect the battery connector so there's no electricity running through the board. Now we're removing 5 screws, Y-point screws from the bracket that's covering the LCD connector and the proximity connector. Now we take all the screws off of the earpiece speaker assembly. There is a Y000 in the top left. The rest are Phillips. Fold up the speaker to 90 degrees and then use a plastic spudger underneath. Come underneath like this and lift up on the 2 sensors, the microphone and then the sensor. Get your new screen and seat all sensors back into the frame. Replace the bracket over the proximity sensor. Put in 1 Phillips screw. Two Phillips screws. And 3 Phillips screws. Last one will be a Y-tip. Now you can reattach the screen assembly to the phone. Replace the metal bracket and fasten the 5 screws. Now we're going to reconnect the battery before placing the bracket over the battery connector. Placing in the battery connector underneath the flex cables for the LCD. You'll gently have to lift up on these cables to get in there and fasten the screws. Last screw is tricky. It's right underneath these flex cables. And there, everything is finished. Now we're going to check around the edges to make sure that there's no screws or debris stuck inside the phone. Close the clips at the top, and then close the bottom and the sides, making sure everything lines up correctly before pushing down on the screen. 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom. Please go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for new repair videos. Thank you.